All right, Keith, cooler day out there, kind of dreary.
Yeah, the heat is kind of, we're turning it off for a while. Like, I don't see it in the next 10 days. Yeah. So if you didn't enjoy it, then you get a little time out. If you did, well, we have plenty of time left. Yep. Sure, we're not going to shut it down altogether. But today was kind of a transition day, guys. We're in the 70s out there, 76 in Portland, 70 in Rockland, 72 in Bar Harbor. Average high is 80, so this will go on the books as a below average day, although we had some periods of sunshine and still seeing a few out the window here. But what we're watching is this front that's going to come through later on tonight in the interior and coastal Maine, moving through the mountains right now. Now, it's a really thin line of showers and storms, and so that tells you that the front is probably pretty sharp in its air mass change, which it will be. It also tells you this is probably going to be hard to keep going all the way to the coastline. So the best showers and storms right now heading into Aroostook County, those could be fairly strong. Gusty winds, maybe a little bit of small hail, but I think over the next few hours, we're going to watch these showers and storms die down as they try to move east-southeastward. And the models do a pretty good job with that. Here we're at 10 o'clock, and a lot of these storms are now pretty much dying out, and just an isolated shower likely along the coast. If that, a lot of us will remain dry, but the air mass change will get in here. So by tomorrow morning, it will be a much crisper kind of air mass in place. And tomorrow is a really nice day because of that. We've got low dew points, a good deal of sunshine, especially through the afternoon. Temperatures upper 70s to around 80 degrees. So I think it really hits right between where a lot of people like to be this time of the year. And we'll keep that going for Saturday too. I think this model is overly aggressive with the cloud cover on Saturday. There's a reason for that. It has the low, I think, a little bit too close. But the bottom line is I think Saturday will be a mixture of sun and clouds, upper 70s. I think we do stay shy of 80 in most spots throughout the weekend because the second half of the weekend is a little bit more complicated. We've been talking about the second low. How close is this going to get to us? And I was concerned it would be too close for down east Maine, and I think that's true. I think this low is close enough that we get some showers into down east and northern Maine on Sunday. The rest of us will see some more clouds around on Sunday, but I think we end up dry. It's depicted well here by the European model with a couple of sprinkles out there Sunday, but you head west and you see more sun and it stays drier. So I don't think it's a big deal. We'll keep an eye on mid next week. It still looks conducive to a tropically infused rain event, which of course we could use. Flash flood guidance says we can get about 3 or 4 inches of rain in a short period of time and be okay. I wouldn't want to test that theory, but hopefully we can get some rain in here, and it definitely will be showery straight through at least Thursday. So it's an unusually dreary period for this summer, which we've had very few of. Remember we started to joke, I think it was basically mid-June on, you couldn't have picked a bad vacation week. Well, now you could have. It's this next week, which, well, who's off? Coco, you're off?
Yes.
Next week? Well,
that's okay.
It won't be that bad.
You get all those chores done around the house.
But yeah, there's lots of stuff.
It's all good.
I heard there's a couple good. You see the new Tom Cruise movie here is great. And
all right, cool.
Sheriff's is off to our lead. Well, look, the bottom line is we do need the rain.
I know.
It's just this is the wettest stretch we've had in a while. So
one chore I can take off the list: watering the garden.
Yeah, exactly.
Thanks, Keith.